It's a bad man thing.
What's up, everyone? All right, you know what time it is. It's 2 o'clock. Time for another wig review. Big wig brownie points to anybody who can guess this wig, y'all. But anywho, let's get right into this review. So this is on a new unit by Bobbi Boss in the style CHYNA. I am going to let this play out a little bit and then, of course, come back with my final thoughts. If you are interested in more styling videos such as this one, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and, of course, subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for, girl? The button's right there. But like I said, I'm going to let this play out and then we'll come back and chat a little bit.
Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Oh, feeling the groove, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee pay. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know say make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. They keep all well okay. If they play my music, if you get.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Wasteland, and of course we are here with another wig show and tell, and of course, you guys already know I'm all over the bobs. Here we are with Miss CHYNA by Bobbi Boss. Your girl spent her own coins. So let's get into the real deal with Miss CHYNA. Where do I begin? Yes, dime a dozen. There are so many bobs on the market. You just have to find what works for you. And I must say, she ready, and she cute. Miss CHYNA does have a very comfortable cap. So you do have typical cap construction with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and of course a stretchy, comfy cap. And girl, let's talk about this parting spray. No plucking needed for this wig, which makes it very beginner friendly. Bomb parting space. And this is a soft Swiss lace, and guess what? No line of demarcation. Lays so flat. I did not apply any type of got to be glued. And of course, what's a Bobbi Boss unit without this beautiful, natural, luscious texture? She does have a very natural density to her.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama says okay. Baby.
No real cons to Miss CHYNA. I think I really do love this bob. Very natural style. But yes, it is like several other bobs on the market right now. I think you just have to pick your preference. But you know, she cute. Like I said, she ready. If you guys are interested in Miss CHYNA, then definitely check out the information in the description box down below. Now, I do benefit from your purchase if you do decide to use the link in the description box down below. By all means, if you do have another website, you can definitely use that as well. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, share the video, girl. Share the channel with your mama, your sister, your cousin. We go through this every single time. Extend the love and hit that sub button for your girl. And ladies, you know what I say, whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.